Oh. Does it look good?
Welcome to my show.
I don't know where the oil is.
The oil's in the oil section. What do you think it is?
The oil aisle.
Bag of eggs.
Bag of eggs?
This is the future right here.
Dude, do you want some bags of milk too?
You got bags of milk? What's up?
Okay, so big glass bowl and we can stir. Stir!
Let's get cooking.
Okay, we gotta... I don't know how to crack eggs very well. There you go. That's one boy. Oh, thank you.
I'm showing initiative. Shell.
I've got some eggage on my hands.
You want to see the god egg breaker?
How many eggs do we need again?
10?
Your
Get
hands
out!
are trembling so hard.
Oh my god.
Out!
Oh god.
I feel like
Just pull it. Just go.
There you go.
Watch this. Watch. It's all in the flick of the wrist. Jonah, zoom in on this.
you're just gonna smash the egg.
That worked pretty well, actually. Too fragile.
Aiden just smashes the egg in the bowl.
No.
Do we remember how many eggs we've already cracked?
We've only had 10.
Just count
Do
the
we have
yolks.
to count?
No, we only put 10 in this one.
3, 4, 5. I know, but how many have we put in already?
You put 8. Ah! Now we need to get 2 scoops of milk.
2 scoops.
That's gonna be.
2 scoops of milk. All right.
How are we supposed to get into the?
So we get a bowl.
No, we gotta get our milk scooper.
Okay.
No, just pour the milk into the scooper. Over the bowl.
No,
That seems
Jonah,
really
I
messy.
feel like you're thinking about this all wrong.
Oh god.
There's a much more efficient way to scoop milk.
All right. Give me the bigger boy.
The bigger boy.
We need to actually scoop it. You know.
It's not gonna be enough.
God. Oh yes.
Let me just. I need to get more scoopage in here.
Now those are some egg wipes. Egg wipes.
What?
Egg wipes?
We should put that much
No,
oil
it
in
says
it.
put the microwave.
Because like how many scoops of oil is this?
Wait, hold on.
20?
hold on,
No.
hold on.
Do 20.
Let me get smaller scoops then.
Do 20 of these, because like even that's a lot.
The recipe calls to put it on low in the microwave.
We're not gonna put it in the microwave.
We have to do it by the book.
You gotta do the cooking by the book.
You gotta do the cooking by the book. Oh man.
Little crossover episode.
Kiss the chef.
No.
I'm gonna reuse this.
Oh, now the oils get mixed. Oh,
very inappropriate, Jake.
Why is this is still slightly wrong.
Okay, here it is. Here it is. 20 scoops. 1, 2.
20 scoops.
All together now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
How many are we?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No!
Aiden's got the belt.
This is like, I don't think we're.
This is what you get when you break the book. No violence allowed in kindergarten kitchen.
We can put in the solids. Well, actually, wait. We should probably stir this up a little
What
bit.
about the gases?
So let me get this
The
started.
states of matter.
That's a good one, Jonah.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, if I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, it would be a 0.
Guys, we're
I just hate it.
It looks like an omelet. It looks like an omelet. I can make. If you guys want to stop right now, we can make an omelet right now.
oily omelet.
Oh, it wouldn't be even that oil because there's so much egg.
Oh yeah. All right.
We end up just making like really sweet scrambled eggs.
Nice.
They're not even scrambled. It's just liquid. Liquid egg.
You guys.
All right.
We just drink an egg.
So what do we need now?
It's gonna be that, dude. Cause
Oh my god, that looks gross.
Okay. What else do we need? Okay.
We need to get the 100 spoonfuls of white sugar. All right.
1, 2, 3, 48,
Please don't let this
49,
reflect how bad we are at
50,
counting.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56,
We're not even like
57,
We're only like halfway there. Why are we getting hyped up now?
68, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,
Oh God.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I get this on time.
7, 8, 9,
Guys, hold on.
10.
Here we go.
Last one.
11. Woo! Let's go.
Flour.
11 skips aside. What's next? That's it.
Oh, that's it. Oh wait, no. Now we need the sprinkles.
Demographic is kindergartners. And then Jonah.
And me.
Whoa.
Jonah watches this stuff every night on repeat. Just
Along with Johnny, yes, Papa.
oh
There's just
God.
some fighting words right there.
Exactly 20 chocolate sprinkles. 1.
Ooh. A lot of counting this episode. 2, 3,
you wanna make a educational video.
4,
How to count.
Dude.
5. That's
Well, actually,
6.
that actually is 2 of them right there.
Yeah.
So this is 7.
7,
This is 7.
8, 9,
8, 9. Here we go.
10.
10. Drop 1. Jake.
I know. I'm
Losing
just-
valuable
Oh.
resources. 11,
12, 13, 14.
Ooh, Jake, come on, you got this. 15,
16, 17.
17.
Just dropped all of those.
Oh my god. 18.
19. Oh, I got 21.
Oh my god.
I got 21. I overdid it.
We're done. Out of
Take
it.
one out, take one out, take one out. No. This whole batch is ruined. We have to restart.
Oh God.
You've just been doing.
But I can call Joey, which we tried to call that one.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's call Joey.
He's gonna be like, wanna play Fortnite? Joey. Dude, what temperature would you recommend to cook brownies at?
I have no idea. Do you want me to ask my grandma? She knows
Yeah,
how to cook.
ask your grandma. Thank you, bro.
Grandma, what temperature would you cook brownies at? Yeah. My friend wants to. Oh. Okay. 1 second.
All right. So confused on what's happening.
Yeah.
He's like, what the? How did you want me to ask my grandma?
He's going all the way.
325, bro.
325. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Love you. Bye. Jonah just had like a little spasm right there.
Oh god.
That's gonna make some good brownies.
No. The chocolate chips are the whatever.
Yeah, the chocolate chips near the bottom, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I mean the
The
sprinkles.
glop in there.
Oh, stop. Jonah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Jonah.
Stop touching the glop.
Dude, I'll touch your glop whenever I want.
Whoa. Is that a threat?
Yes. fight me, 1v1 me, man.
Fighting words, Jonah.
Fight me in Fortnite right now.
Okay.
It already smells horrible. Can you do this?
Like egg.
Can you do this?
Smells really good, actually.
Oh! Look at that chocolate brownie.
Delicious.
Shut up. No. Walk with me. What do you think? What do you think these brownies are gonna be like? No. This isn't just me. You're walking with me. Get up here. You, the viewer. No. This is.
Comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe.
What do you think these brownies are gonna taste like as we sit here in
Eggs.
Jake's beautiful garden?
Eggs. Hey. I think they'll taste like eggs.
Look at that fish.
That's a real fish.
That fish is probably happy to be alive.
There's a fish in it?
I bet he wishes for
How
some
did he
brownies.
get out of the freaking ocean?
Get some brownies.
Fish don't live in the ocean, they live in Australia.
If the world was round, dude, why wouldn't the freaking ocean, like, why wouldn't it go both ways? Like both, wait, it fucking does.
Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Wait, look at a shot of that.
Jake,
It's like a pudding.
Alright, ready? I'm not really getting a lot of chocolate.
Tastes like sponge.
It basically tastes like you're eating a sponge.
How is it?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
It tastes like basically you're chewing on a sponge
It's not
and
that
it
bad,
tastes a little bit like eggs. It's not like bad.
Jonah always says,
But it's
he's
not
always like,
good
I'm
at
not
all.
gonna eat it, and then he-
Honestly, it's not bad,
Tastes bad, I hate it.
So good.
but I would never eat this again. This is not something that's good.
You can definitely taste the egg.
But this wasn't like a colossal disaster. All right, everyone, join us next. Get over here. Get over here. Kindergarten kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. it's it's gonna be like the blooper reel.
Okay, so what we're gonna do